Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to improve your English, remember one thing. You don't need perfect English. You only need confidence and practice. Many people feel shy. Many people are afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Today, I will tell you a short story. This story will motivate you and help you believe in yourself. So, listen carefully and let's begin. There was a boy named Ayan. Ayan was a good student, but he was very afraid of speaking English. In school, when the teacher asked a question, Ayan knew the answer, but he stayed quiet. Why? Because he was scared of making mistakes. He was scared that people would laugh at him. Every day, he said to himself, I will speak English tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. One day, Ayan met his teacher after class. The teacher asked him, why don't you speak in English? Ayan said softly, Sir, my English is not good. The teacher smiled and said, Your English is not bad. Your confidence is low. Then the teacher said something very important. You don't learn English to speak perfectly. You speak English to learn it. These words touched Ayan's heart. That day, he decided to change. The next day, Ayan started small. He spoke one English sentence every day. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes people laughed. But he did not stop. He practiced in front of the mirror with YouTube videos with simple sentences. Slowly, very slowly, his English improved. After a few months, Ayan was speaking confidently. People were surprised. The same boy who was afraid to speak was now speaking English with a smile. Friends, if Ayan can do it, you can do it too. Don't wait for perfect English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Start today. Speak daily. Practice slowly. Remember, mistakes make you better. Practice makes you confident. Confidence makes you successful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.